Hi there, fabulous shoppers. Guess what? I've got something absolutely amazing for you today. Are you ready to save some serious cash? Of course you are. So stick around because I'm about to spill the beans on how you can get an awesome discount on Amelia products. First things first, hit that link in the description below to get your special offer. You don't want to miss out, trust me. So, what's the deal with Amelia? Well, if you haven't heard of Amelia yet, where have you been? Amelia is your go-to brand for everything from stylish clothing to quirky accessories. And let me tell you, their stuff is top-notch. We're talking quality and style all wrapped into one. Now here's the fun part. With the Amelia discount code, you can snag all your favorite items at a fraction of the price. That's right, ladies and gents, you heard it here first. But wait, there's more. Using the code is as easy as pie. Just add your favorite items to your cart, head to checkout, and pop in the code Amelia Deal. Boom! Instant savings. Did I mention this offer is for a limited time only? Yep, you gotta act fast. These deals are hotter than a summer's day in Texas, so don't let them slip through your fingers. And hey, while you're at it, why not treat yourself to something special? After all, you deserve it. Grab that cute dress you've been eyeing or those must-have accessories. With the Amelia discount, you can afford to splurge a little. Oh, and before I forget, make sure to click that link in the description below to get your discount code. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. All right, my shopping-savvy friends, that's all for now. Remember, the Amelia discount code is your ticket to stylish savings, so go ahead, click that link and start shopping. Thanks for watching and happy shopping. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a deal. Catch you in the next one.